After the whey, the water from the yogurt, whey means the water which is present in the yogurt, is removed properly and completely. Then the thick yogurt is cut into pieces, into small pieces. These pieces are washed with clean sterile water for a long in steps, means not just washed once but many a times. Then these pieces are put into fine salt powder, and the salt powder is rubbed on them for a few minutes. So these are the important steps in cheese production once the yogurt is formed. After that, the essential microorganisms are again added. Essential microorganisms means the microorganisms which we have seen: Lactobacillus lactis, Lactobacillus cremoris, and Streptococcus thermophilus are again added in a fixed amount, in fixed proportion. Then in cheese production, a very important part or ingredient is enzymes. The most commonly, or the enzyme which was used since long period, is rennet, and it is easily available because rennet enzyme is produced in the alimentary canal of cattle. Alimentary canal is a part of digestive system. Now because it comes from animal body, then this cheese will not be suitable for vegetarians. So nowadays there is an option to this. A fungi produces protease enzyme. This enzyme is now commonly used for making vegetarian cheese. What do these enzymes do? They increase the consistency, means they make the cheese more thick. It doesn't leave the yogurt or curd into thin fluffy mass, but it gives it a strong consistency, firmness. It gives it firmness. It brings about curdling. Then later on, when all these steps are over, after that some pigments for coloring and some flavoring agents to add some flavor to the cheese are done. After that, in the last step, the cheese is pressed and kept for ripening. The small pieces of cheese which undergo the previous all steps, they are kept under some heavy weight, and then they are stored for ripening. A proper and good quality cheese, processed cheese, we get only after ripening. Ripening is a time period of few days and few months given for the cheese, for the microorganisms to form their complete quality and the particular taste and texture of the cheese.